Hello friends, today I would like to share with you a machining sample. Please look at these two parts in my hand. They are the motor and the caps for the small servo motors and stepper motors. Now you see this inner board is the hose for motor rotor shaft supporting bearing, and known as the bearing chamber. Since the workpiece is made of die-cast aluminum alloy, the outer ring of the bearing requires high mounting accuracy. Therefore, the accuracy of the bore is very high, but it as material of aluminum alloy cannot be grinding. In this case, our product to 0G using turning instead of grinding to complete the high precision machining of the bore. This machine tool can not only process tiny parts with a diameter of 1 mm only, but also small parts with a diameter of 60 mm and the length is no more than 50 mm. It can be configured with a bar feeder to complete the continuous processing, and also be equipped with a truss manipulator to complete the continuous machining. Thank you for your attention of XKNC robot.